In response to concerns brought by this newscast about the AstraZeneca vaccine, which is expected to arrive in Guyana to commence the COVID-19 vaccination drive, Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony is maintaining that the vaccines are safe and efficacious for the Guyanese population. In the COVID-19 Daily Update, partially hosted by Nightly News on Tuesday, the minister was questioned about the lower efficacy rate of the AstraZeneca vaccine when compared to that of Pfizer and Moderna, and why Guyana was only afforded this option by the COVAX facility. Dr. Anthony denied claims that the vaccine is less effective at preventing the virus in comparison to the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. He explained that pooled results from the AstraZeneca vaccine demonstrated a higher efficacy rate.
But AstraZeneca, when they did 2 full doses, they were able to see that the vaccine was about 66% efficacious. But when they do a half dose and then a full dose, it went up to about 90%. So these dosing regimens can make a difference, and that is why in the literature they're saying that these vaccines, the efficacy can range from the 66 or 62% to as much as 90%, depending on the dosing that you're using.
Nonetheless, according to a statement by AstraZeneca in November 2020, an analysis of 2 full doses of the vaccine, at least 1 month apart, was proven to be 62% effective. In contrast, the Pfizer vaccine is 92% effective and Moderna 94.1%. Once the vaccines are approved by the World Health Organization and arrives in Guyana, 52,000 Guyanese will be initially immunized from the first 104,000 doses being supplied by COVAX. According to the health minister, those persons who form part of the priority group to be administered the vaccine will be given 2 doses 3 weeks apart.
I think it's 21 days that between the first and the second dose. So we'll have to administer. So with the 104, we'll cater for 52,000 people, and so we'll do the first dose, roll out the first dose, and then come back and have to do the second dose.
Dr. Anthony informed that COVAX has delivered Pfizer vaccines to countries with the requisite systems in place to store and administer them. He also pointed out that those countries may have also made a down payment to secure the doses.
I think a lot of those vaccines that they've acquired from Pfizer are going to those persons probably who have paid for the vaccines.
Guyana, which is part of the COVAX Advanced Market Committee, was not required to pay a dime for the AstraZeneca vaccines. The vaccine was approved for emergency use in the United Kingdom in December 2020. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.